Hi everyone, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make for you some vegan waffle. I'm making it with Quinoa flour, and this is some rice flour, oatmeal. I'm gonna make my own oatmeal milk, and I have here vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, some nutmeg, and I have applesauce and the vegan butter. Okay, first we're gonna put half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of oatmeal. We're gonna use 2 cups of oatmeal milk. I'm making my own milk. Okay. Okay, this is my milk, and I'm gonna put my flour in. That fits. Does fit. This is 1 cup of rice flour. 1 cup rice flour. And 1 cup Quinoa flour. Over here. And I'm gonna put all my dry ingredients in this bowl here. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon baking powder. Make sure your baking powder is good. Sometimes baking powder gets old and it doesn't work as good. 1 cup, half a teaspoon baking soda. That's half teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon salt. And 2 tablespoons sugar. You can use any sugar you want. 2 tablespoons sugar. Gonna grate our nutmeg. I think that's enough. Okay, we have all our dry ingredients. We just mix. We mix well. Ooh, we're making a mess. Okay, now we're gonna add our wet ingredient. This is 2 cups of milk. That's the oatmeal milk. We have 1 tub applesauce. Are we missing anything? Oh Lord. Okay, now we're gonna add our wet ingredient, 2 cup milk, because the milk itself is oatmeal, it gets thick while you mix it. So we need 2 cups. And 1 cup applesauce. Over here. So where we go. And we have 1 teaspoon vanilla. 2 tablespoons butter. And we just mix well. Mix everything together. That's it. Then we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. So we're gonna clean up here and come right back. Okay, we are back. We are gonna just start putting our let's spray. Make sure we fill all these like a packet. Okay, just remove this. Just remove this. Yummy, and rest them on this wire rack here. And we're gonna put our next batch in. Here with that scissor. Trying to get it perfect. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna put this one over here in our plate. We're gonna finish. We just have a small amount here, so just finish it off like that. This is how I serve it. It's all vegan. You have your protein from the walnuts and from the quinoa. So you don't really need eggs and bacon because you have your protein and everything right here. And this is organic maple syrup. I like to put my syrup at the end. Right as I'm ready to eat, that's when I pour my syrup on. Enjoy! Thanks for coming into my home. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Bye.